أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Students Groom. Today our video is about NMDCAT preparation. In this video we will give you some tips and tricks on the basis of which you will study your course, and inshallah you will get 190 plus marks if you follow our steps and study accordingly. So let's start. In MDCAT preparation tips, you all will know that in MDCAT test will be composed of biology, physics, chemistry, English and logical reasoning. These topics biology, physics, chemistry and English will be from different boards of Pakistan. Also they will be from the Cambridge and American syllabus. You can go for the syllabus on PMC website and you can download it from there. You should download it if you have not the PMC syllabus with you. I am in this video will give you a brief explanation and tips in which you can prepare yourself for NMDCAT in 1 month. Yes. You know that biology first year and second year composed of 27 chapter almost. First year second year biology both books of KPK boards consist of 27 chapters. And same as physics, chemistry and English, you will study about the grammars and different books you can study that. Logical reasoning, I will provide you a book. If you need, you can comment in comment section. Good book. From here you can study about the logical reasoning. Now I will give you some more tips how to prepare and how to study these chapters one by one in an easy way in 1 month. First of all, you should make notes of each chapter. One chapter daily from each subject, biology, physics, chemistry. You read it by heart and then make notes of important MCQs in a register with yourself. After making the notes, you study different types of books from your academies. You will have, if you have not, I will provide you. I have some tests and notes from different academies, from LMS, biology, QCA, JCA, MM Academy and different types of academies. I can provide you these types of notes if you want. Then from these notes copy different types of MCQs and make notes with yourself. After that, you should keep in mind that physics is composed of different types of formulas. You should write all the formulas in a separate register or separate copy, different what you can. Then for chemistry, you should write each and every reaction, different types of formulas. There are different types of laws. Means you should study one chapter daily from each subject and then recall it in different types of MCQs books from the academies. And for logical reasoning, there are also books available, but I have a book which I can provide you. From here you can study the logical reasoning questions in a good and easy way. I show you some notes. You can also find it on different types of social media pages. These are the notes of biology, first year biology. I can provide you all chapter notes of first year and second year chemistry, physics, biology, each and every one subject if you need. Now, after making the notes and reading each chapter daily, you will have good MCQs in your copy and registers, more than thousands of MCQs. Now there are proven tips for high scores in MDCAT. First, there should be a determination and focus. There should be a determination that I will pass the NMDCAT, and focus all your subjects. First of all, your textbook. Then keep PMC syllabus with you. Study according with that. They have provided all the subtopics of each chapters. You study it and clear your concept. Set your timetable and follow it. Make a timetable according to your routine daily and study according to that and follow it. If you not follow, you will be not a successful student in the future. Then seek proper guidance from your seniors. Strengthen your weak points. You will know that in which areas you are weak, in formulas, in concept, in any area you weak, you should strengthen that. Participate in NMDCAT practice online test. Practice and practice. It will provide you more efficiency. Make strategy beforehand to solve MDCAT, and you should be optimistic about the NMDCAT that I will pass it. Now make a timetable and start study yourself. Do not go to academies. Make sure that you learn all the syllabus by heart. Then join a test session. I will recommend here Ingicon Academy, the best academy of Pakistan, I will say. They provide MCQs that will cover the NMDCAT test. Test session will help you in evaluating your preparation. Stay focused and do not get distracted by the offers of notes and other stuff. Stick to your books. As far as grammar of English is concerned, you can practice it at home. Buy a grammar book. Grammar is not the part that is too much tough. There are papers of Ingicon Academy with me. I can provide you so you can study it and prepare yourself for the NMDCAT. All these papers with MCQs, grand tests, each and everything is present in it. If you need, you can comment in the comment section. I will provide you. Then there are KMU test MCQs, MM test MCQs, QCA tests of all academies, organic chemistry MCQs, MM MCQs, QCA, ETA preparation videos, different types of books from where you can study chemistry, biology federal book, biology second year federal book, boom MCQs. All these stuffs are present. If you need, you can contact. These are some of the pictures of very quality MCQs of physics. If you need, you can contact us. We will provide with you from where you can study and prepare yourself for the NMDCAT. Biology notes. Biology is the major part of the NMDCAT, so you can prepare it well. Should be in mind that make it easy notes. This is SA note, arterial node, or pacemaker, AV node, Each and everything is present in it. From here you can study. These are the different types of physics MCQs and tricks we can also provide you. Study one chapter daily can give you good results. Study one chapter daily in the book and then recall all MCQs books. Practice MDCAT past papers. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.